Hello, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my chopped Italian sandwich. And my sandwich consists of lettuce, pepperoni, salami, turkey, tomato, banana pepper, red onion, cheese. It's a provolone cheese, mayonnaise, olive oil, red wine vinaigrette, or you can either use the Italian zesty dressing, which I think that's what I'm going to use. Salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. So let's get started. Let me adjust my camera for you. Okay, I have everything already ready. I cut my my lettuce up already here. So, okay, let me chop this a little more here. Okay, so put that there. Kind of spread it out. And make sure you see everything. Adjust it a little more here. Yeah. Spread it out. I'm going to put my pepperonis on here. So if you would, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about it. Okay, this is not going to be by measurement, because you can kind of make it like you want to, less or more. And then I'm going to put my salami on here. This is beef salami, and this is turkey pastrami. Oh, sorry, turkey pepperonis. This is turkey salami here. Okay. Then I'm going to put my turkey on here. This is sliced turkey here from the deli. Okay, I'm going to put extra on mine. And then I need to get my tomatoes, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to put half tomatoes and half no tomatoes. So give me just a minute. I forgot to wash my tomatoes for this. Let me put something on it, because I don't like leaving it out. Because, you know, it's hot outside. I hate flies, but, you know, you never know when you got one in your house. So I got that covered. Let me wash my tomato off. Okay, so I got my tomato washed. Let me kind of slice it. And my knife here. So I have to do tomatoes separately, because I have someone that's allergic to tomatoes. So I'm gonna have to do some without, some with. So okay, so I got my turkey on there. Then my tomatoes, I'm gonna do those last. My banana peppers. Okay. And I got some red onions. And then next is going to be my provolone cheese. Okay. Make sure I got enough cheese. I think so. Okay. Yes, there's plenty of cheese. And then I got. Then I'm gonna give it a rough chop here. Let's see if I got my this right here is what I'm gonna need. I'm gonna need this. Okay. Just chop it and keep chopping it till it get to where it's all kind of blended in. To be coming together. So if you would hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And tell all your friends about it. Check me out on Facebook and YouTube. You see how all this coming together? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is you're going to get me some mayonnaise. Just put it on there like that. So you just have to watch the video and go along with me. So I got the mayonnaise and just a little olive oil. And Zesty Italian, or you can put your red wine vinegar red in here, but I want the Zesty Italian in mine. A little salt, have a little sea salt here, black pepper, and now I have some Italian seasoning. Okay, so now I'm going to give it a rough chop again and kind of get all this combined together. Make sure you get that mayonnaise in all of it. Just scoop it up. Keep cutting it. Oh, excuse me. Black pepper getting me. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is scoop this over, and I'm gonna dice my tomatoes up. It would be much easier if everybody in the household ate tomatoes, but I'm allergic to tomatoes, so I have to kind of keep it separate. Okay, that's it with the tomato. So now, okay, I'm gonna put this together. Now I'm trying to see where, okay, here it is. Okay. So what you do is, you kind of scoop this up for a sandwich size, maybe like this. I'm gonna do this separate because I'm gonna put tomatoes in mine. So I'm gonna get me a few tomatoes and see how I'm gonna do that. Put it all in there like that. Okay. Okay, there you go. Just like that. Now look how good that look. This is your chopped Italian sandwich. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let me give it a try. That is delicious. Yeah. I'm gonna put this over to the side. But I want you to see this. This is let me see how much. I'm gonna put in this saucer here. I want you to get a close look of everything. It's gonna go on that hoagie bun. Get your hoagie bun. Now look at that. Chopped Italian sandwich. So you know you put that in your hoagie bun, and you know if you don't have anybody allergic to tomatoes, you can just mix your tomatoes all in there. But I didn't do that. So this is what it looked like. And this is what the sandwich looked like. Okay. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bon appetit.